Here we are, 010 again of the new Aurora fleet. Ready to leave Leicester for London, St Pancras. Not quite ready, the door lights are still on. It won't be very long though because he's running a bit late again. Seems like EMR always run a bit late. They're not a very punctual service. But they're nearly ready. Yes, everyone's cleared the doors. So the yellow light should go off any time now. Yes, they've gone off. He's about to leave the platform now for London. Non-stop. Leaving at 16, supposed to be 15:03, getting at 16:09, but he's running about 5 minutes late. Lovely looking train. I've got to admit it's nice. Sleek. And here we go. There she goes. To London.
Once again, passengers on platform 2, the service now approaching. The platform is the 1512 cross-country service.